A for apple.
A for apple.
A for
Apple.
apple means
Save.
A is for apple. Apple, apple, apple. B for boy.
B for boy.
B for
Boy.
boy means
Ladka.
B is for boy. Boy, boy, boy. C for cow.
C for cow.
C for
Cow.
cow means
Guy.
C is for cow. Cow, cow, cow. D for dog.
D for dog.
D for
Dog.
dog means
Kutta.
D is for dog. Dog, dog, dog. E for eagle.
E for eagle.
E for
Eagle.
eagle means
Bird.
E is for eagle. Eagle, eagle, eagle. F for fish.
F for fish.
F for
Fish.
fish means
Machli.
F is for fish. Fish, fish, fish. G for goat.
G for goat.
G for
Goat.
goat means
Bakri.
G is for goat. Goat, goat, goat. H for horse.
H for horse.
H for
Horse.
horse means
Ghoda.
H is for horse. Horse, horse, horse. I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
I for
Ice cream.
ice cream means
Ice cream. Wow, yummy.
I is for ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. J for jug.
J for jug.
J for
Jug.
jug means
Jug.
J is for jug. Jug, jug, jug. K for kite.
K for kite.
K for
Kite.
kite means
Patang.
K is for kite. Kite, kite, kite. L for lion.
L for lion.
L for
Lion.
lion means
Same.
L is for lion. Lion, lion, lion. M for monkey.
M for monkey.
M for
Monkey.
monkey means
Bandar.
M is for monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey. N for nest.
N for nest.
N for
Nest.
nest means
Ghosla.
N is for nest. Nest, nest, nest. O for owl.
O for owl.
O for
Owl.
owl means
Ullu.
O is for owl. Owl, owl, owl. P for parrot.
P for parrot.
P for
Parrot.
parrot means
Tota.
P is for parrot. Parrot, parrot, parrot. Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Q for
Queen.
queen means
Rani.
Q is for queen. Queen, queen, queen. means
जहाज.
S is for shape. Shape, shape, shape. T for tiger.
T for tiger.
T for
Tiger.
tiger means
Cheetah.
E is for tiger. Tiger, tiger, tiger. U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
U for
Umbrella.
Umbrella means
Chhata.
U is for umbrella. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. V for van.
V for van.
V for
Van.
van means
Van.
V is for van. Van, van, van. W for watch.
W for watch.
W for
Watch.
watch means
घड़ी.
W is for watch. Watch, watch, watch. X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
X for
Xmas tree.
Xmas tree means
Christmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Y for
Yak.
yak means
Yak.
Y is for yak. Yak, yak, yak. Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Z for